Here. My name is Colleen, and I just want to talk to you today for a moment or two about parenting your sensitive spirited kids. So, I guess I want to start by saying it really is harder to parent sensitive spirited kids. And sometimes when you have a child like this and you sense that other people around you are looking on and maybe judging how you're handling things or wondering why you're doing things the way you're doing them, it's easy to start to doubt yourself and to think that maybe you're doing something wrong. But I'm just here to remind you that people really often don't get it. They don't get that it's different. They don't get that regular strategies typically don't work, or in many cases don't work with these kids, and that our sensitive spirited kids, they really need us to connect. I think they need it more than kids who aren't sensitive and spirited. They need us to connect first and foremost. And it's not a nice to have, it's a need to have. And they'll often be super resistant or just really difficult and hard to get them to cooperate unless you're able to connect first. They also tend to, many of them are quite empathic, and they tend to really just know things. So they actually, sometimes I think they can almost tell if we're starting to lose our patience or starting to lose it. They can almost, I think, feel it sometimes even before we consciously recognize it. So yeah, they know what's going on. They can feel it. They can feel the vibe of what's going on. So I guess as far as suggestions, I just want to offer you that they do give us an opportunity to level up our own way of being in the world. And that's leveling up our ability to connect and our skills for that, leveling up our ability to regulate ourselves and to stay patient, because often they need more scaffolding and kind of baby steps to learn to do things or to get into the habit or the routine of doing things. And sometimes we also need to just change our expectations as well for how quickly they're going to learn something. But in my experience, it's an opportunity to level up our own self-awareness and our own growth as human beings in the long run. So thanks for listening. My name is Colleen Adrian. I'm a parent coach for parents of sensitive, spirited kids. Thanks for listening.